Hello and welcome to my Submagic AI Captions tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add automatic caption with Submagic AI. So watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you want to try Submagic AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then you can use the link given in the video description. And suppose if you want to upgrade to any of the paid plan of Submagic AI, then you can use my exclusive Submagic AI coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. So now I'm gonna show you how to add automatic caption with Submagic AI. For this, you just need to log into your account. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options available like generate captions, AI auto edits, magic clips, and AI thumbnails, and there are lots of features available as you can see. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add automatic caption with Submagic AI. So for this, we are gonna click on this generate captions option. Okay, as you can see, this is a generate caption option which will automatically add captions in your short form video like Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Okay, so let me click on generate caption button, and here is the option to upload your short form content in Submagic AI platform. So you can click on upload from your computer or upload from your Google Drive option to upload your video file, but I have already uploaded a sample video here. So let's click on edit icon. So when you will click on edit icon, then it will show you an interface which will look something like this. Here, as you can see, there are lots of options to remove silence, adding AI captions, AI auto zoom feature, AI auto b-roll, and AI hook generator, clean audio, remove bad take, correct eye contact, and there are lots of options available. So we want to add automatic caption in our video, so we will select AI caption from here and we will go to this style option. You just need to enable this option, okay, to add caption. As you can see, without caption our video will look something
Creating
like
short
this.
form videos takes time, but good
So to add captions in your video, you just need to enable this AI caption option, and after that click on style option. When you will click on a style option, then as you can see, there are lots of caption styles available. Like you can add Ali Abdal type of captions in your video, you can add Alex emoji type of caption in your video, you can add Mr. Beast type of caption in your video, you can add Iman Gaji type of caption in your video, and there are lots of caption style. I personally like this Iman Gaji type of caption style, so I'm gonna select this particular one. And you know what is the best part? You can easily customize this caption according to your requirement. So as you can see, I have added Iman Gaji type of caption in my video in just one click without any editing skill. Okay, I have selected Iman style from here and it has automatically added caption in my video. I don't need to do anything from my side. So it means that if you are using Submagic AI, then you don't need any editing skill. You don't need to spend hours to edit your video, like listening what you have said, then adding the caption, then again listening what you have said in the next line and adding the caption like this. You don't need to do anything. Submagic AI will do everything for you. You just need to select the caption style which you want to use in your video. So, and you know what is the best part? You can easily drag and drop this caption anywhere you want. Suppose I want this caption in this particular position, so I will put it here. And you know what is the best part about Submagic AI? That you can drag and drop this caption anywhere in the screen you want, like this. It is very easy. As you can see, suppose I want my caption here, so I will put it here and I can increase and decrease the size of this caption like this. As you can see, it is totally customizable. And also suppose I want that my font color will be in white color and main color, secondary color, and third color will be something else, then I can also change it from here. And I can also change the caption position and font size from here, but instead of this I will recommend you to change the position and size using this option. So now let me show you how this clip is looking right now after adding Iman Gaji type of caption.
Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word if you want, and even you can add emojis in your video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Submagic AI to add captions in your form video. So watch this video till the end.
So as you can see, our video is looking just amazing. And suppose if you want to use any other style, like let's say you want to use Alex emoji type of caption, then you can select Alex emoji type of caption, and now our video will look something like this.
Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight.
Okay, and let me show you one more caption style. Let's say I wanna use this Cali 2 style. This looks just amazing in my opinion. So let me show you how this caption will look. So let me play this clip again. Cali 2 style is my favorite. So let me show you how it will look.
Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word if you want, and even you can add emojis in your videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Submagic AI to add captions in your form video. So watch this video till the end.
Okay, so in this way you can use any caption style you want in your video. And you know what is the best part about Submagic AI? That you can further customize this caption to match your brand style. Okay, so for this you just need to click on customize option from here, and here you will get lots of customization option, like you can change the font family, you can change the font width, you can change the text case, okay, and you can change the size, you can change font color, stroke color, stroke width, shadow width, or strength, whatever you want to say. You can also decide how many words it will show in the screen at a time. As you can see, I have selected 3, so it is showing 3 words at a time. If I will select 5, okay, then as you can see it will show 5 words in one scene. Okay, so like this you can customize everything. You can change the position, you can add animation, you can add emojis as well if you want. Okay, but I don't want to use emojis in the captions, so I have disabled it. And also you can change everything from here, every single detail of this caption. So this is fully customizable, as you can see. And in the start I have added this b-roll footage. As you can see in the start it is
Creating
this
short
b-roll
form videos
footage
takes time,
okay,
but good
so now let me show you how to add b-roll footage to make your video more attractive. For this you just need to click on back button, and from here you can go to this AI auto edit b-roll feature, which will automatically add b-roll based on what you have said in your video. But the problem with AI b-roll footage is that if you will enable it, then it will add random b-roll footage in your video. So there is not any guarantee that it will add perfect b-roll according to what you have said in your video. So I will not recommend you to use AI auto b-roll feature. Instead of this, go to this edit scenes option. From here you can add b-roll. So let me show you. First let me delete the b-roll which I have added in this video so that I can give you a quick demo. So right now my video is looking something like this.
Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop.
Okay, so let's say in the first line I wanna add a b-roll. First line is creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can. So let's add a b-roll about video editing. Just click on plus element, click on b-roll, and as you can see I don't need to write anything. Based on whatever the first line is, it has automatically understand that I'm talking about video editing, so it has automatically searched video editing screen from here. And there are lots of video editing screen, but personally I like this first one. So let's add it again by clicking on this particular b-roll, and as you can see it has automatically added this b-roll footage in my video. So let's play this clip again.
Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop.
So as you can see it has added b-roll in my video. And now let me show you one more thing. So it is showing the b-roll footage in the full screen. If I want to use different layout, then I can select this. I can go to layout and I can select the layout, different layout from here. So let's say I want to use this split 50-50 layout option from here. So now my video will look something like this.
Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop.
Okay, so I hope now you understood how to add automatic caption in your short form videos with the help of Submagic AI platform. I have also explained how you can add b-roll in your video, how you can use the different layout in your videos. I have explained everything. I wanna remind you once again that if you want to use Submagic AI absolutely free without giving your credit card details, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you can create your Submagic AI free account and you can test all these features. The only limitation in the free account is that there will be a watermark in your video But this is not a problem. You can create your free account for testing purpose and you can test all these features before committing to any of Submagic AI paid plan. And suppose if you want to upgrade to any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my special Submagic AI coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. So the Submagic AI free trial link and that special coupon code are in the video description. Just go and check it out. I hope now you understood how to add automatic caption with Submagic AI. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. If you found my Submagic Captions tutorial 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.